This question was picked from the comment section. The fan asked us to solve it. The scores of 10 students in a class test is as follows: 4, 5, 5, 7, 6, 7, 8, 7, 9, 8. Question: find the mean. 2, find the median. 3, find the mode. 4, find the range. We first of all find the mean. It's very easy. Mean equal to summation x all over n. X represents the values and n represents the totals, the individual values, whereas x equals to the values and n equals to the total. Now, the values that we have is summation, that is when you add. The sign summation or sigma means addition. So you add these values together. 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 7 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 7 plus 9 plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All divided by 10. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 plus 6, 27. 27 plus 7, 34. 34 plus 8, 42. 42 plus 7, 49. 49 plus 9, 58. 58 plus 8 is 66, rather, please. So you have 66 divided by 10, which is equal to 6.6. And that is your answer. Now, find the median. Median is simply the middle number, starting from the highest number or starting from the lowest number. Let's start from the lowest number. The lowest number here is 5, is 4. You write 4. 5. 4 is just 1. 1, 2. 5 is in 2 places. 5, 5. Do we have 6? 1, 6. Do we have 7? 1, 2, 3. We have 7, 7, 7. Do we have 8? 1, 2, 8, 8. Do we have 9? And that is the last number. Now, let's start counting and see whether we are going to get the middle number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop at 4. Bracket it. Start from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 2 middle numbers. Since we have 2 middle numbers, we are going to add the 2 numbers and then divide by 2. Assuming we have just 1 middle number, we just pick it, we will pick it as the median. But in this case, we have 2 middle numbers. So what we have is median equal to 7 plus 7 divided by 2, which is 14 divided by 2, which is 7. And that's the answer. Now, the third one, find the mode. Mode is the highest occurring number or the highest occurring frequency. What do we mean? We mean the number that appears more than every other number. And in this case, which number is that? 4 appear once, 5 appear 2 times, 6 once, but 7, how many times? 3. So it appears more than every other number. So our mode becomes 7. What is the range? Number 4, range. Range is the difference between the highest number and the lowest number. And from what we just arranged here, we see that the highest number here is 9 and the lowest number is 4. So 9 minus 4 becomes 5, and that is the range. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and follow me for more.